3 nice deep breaths. And as you breathe out, let yourself relax even more. Begin to become aware of the space around your body. Imagine how the air around you is hugging you. Now become aware of the surface of your skin. Noticing the areas that are exposed and how they can feel the temperature of your surroundings. Feeling the points of contact where clothing lays upon your skin. Notice the sensations of touch in different areas of your body. Your legs touching the surface they rest on, completely supported. Your entire torso and back melting into the surface you are relaxing on. Now feel your head and neck. Letting any tension here melt away. Begin to imagine that right above the surface of your skin is a layer of energy that is all your own. This field of energy covers your entire body and is a protective layer. In a moment, you are going to allow this layer to expand and grow as it becomes infused by divine loving protection. Feel it all around you now. This layer of energy feels like a strong force field, shielding you from everything around you. Imagine that it is growing to be about an inch thick around your entire body, and it is your favorite color. Breathe in deeply, and as you do, feel this layer of protection growing. You can see that it is extending out a few inches from the surface of your